Isa sa pinakamagandang pwede natin maituro sa mga kaibigan natin or sa teams natin is how to be self-sustained. Meaning, kahit na wala nagsasabi sa'yo kung anong dapat mong gawin, they are worth it. They are doing what they are supposed to do. So, tayo mga kapatid, mga kaibigan, yung mga tao sa paligid natin, without telling them what to do, kusa na nilang ginagawa yung mga bagay-bagay. For example, kung meron kang anak na kada uwi mo bahay, alam niya na pagod ka, galing sa trabaho. Pero ang sarap sa pakaramdam na kapag meron kang anak na palagi kang aasikasuhin. Alam niya na automatic yung gagawin niya pag uwi mo ng bahay. Yung tipo yung asikasuhin ka, baran ka ng medyas, sapatos, bigyan ka ng tubig, kikis ka. Pero hindi lang sa bahay yun dapat. Maganda yung ganung practice. Kumbaga, kahit sa trabaho, dapat ganun din. Without telling them na kailangan mong gawin to, they have the initiative to do so. So, yung pagiging self-sustained, yun po yung they have awareness kung ano yung dapat kailangan nilang tapusin, and they have the initiative to do it. So, they can deliver. And napakaganda maituro natin to sa ibang tao, especially sa kung meron kang team that is working with you or working with us, so working in the organization, na talagang maganda yung ganitong practice. It all starts with being aware of the responsibility that is given to them or that is assigned to them, and they know the task in order to fulfill those responsibilities and tasks, and nagiging mag-uumpisa yun sa awareness. Everything starts with awareness, and we need to motivate them to make them feel and aware that you are here, and there should be an initiative that coming from them in order for them to deliver it well, whatever they desire to do. And kung ma-practice natin to, mas magiging magandang effect. This people will be so disciplined that even though hindi mo pa sinasabi sa kanila yung dapat nilang gawin, accountable na silang gawin yung bagay na yun. And napakalaking tulong na to sa isang organization, sa isang team, sa isang group, kasi malalas yung burden ng mga kapwa sa grupo. And at the same time, they will be inspired by you. Kasi kung kilos sila, kung may kilos ka na kahit hindi pa sinasabi anong gagawin, may initiative to do what needs to be done. And the organizations grow well if we have that initiative or awareness na we can create something, we can do something about it, because we are able people. We need to have that awareness, or we have to teach them to be self-sustained. At kapag nagawa natin nun, napakaganda ng pwede maging result. Na kaya i-handle yung mga problems, kasi everything and everyone can handle. And yun nga, lalo na pag well coordinated ang bawat isa, maiwasan yung conflict, and we will be more inspired to work with them, to work with each other, because we know that every one of us working together, kasi kaya natin ma-achieve yung mga pwede natin gawin, kasi pare-parehas tayong gumagawa, and we have the awareness to have that initiative. Thank you everyone and